Hi, it's Mandy from Mindset for Success with step number 7 in setting yourself up for a successful and awesome 2019 in small steps. So yesterday I hope you had a consideration as to what goals, what big things would you like to achieve next year. And remember, they're all about you, no one else. It's what you would really like to achieve and what will make a massive difference to your life. So as you look at what you want to achieve next year, and in accordance with your future vision, which I hope you've done, the next step for you to do is imagine that you've achieved all of that. You're standing out on the 31st of December 2019, and as you look back, ask yourself, what qualities or traits do you need to truly have embraced into your life to make sure that you do the things that are necessary to achieve your goals and get the level of success, fulfillment, whatever it is for you that you desire. So for instance, you know yourself way better than anyone else. Maybe you know that you're not consistent. So you really need to embrace the quality of being consistent. Perhaps you don't always do the things you know you should, so you need to embrace the word discipline. It could be focus, it could be gratitude, it could be solution orientated, could be generosity, fun, playfulness, whatever it is you know that you need a little bit more of. And the key here is write these down and commit. Make a 100% decision that you are going to do your utmost to really live your life through the lens of these 3 qualities and traits, so that everything you do, you remember, for instance, that you are going to be totally focused, you're going to be a completer, or you're going to be an action taker, or you're going to be playful, you're going to have a bit of fun, again, it could be discipline, it just could be relaxed, calm. So make that decision and write these down. The more you look at them, the more you will be in embodying the lens of how you need to act and be to achieve what you want next year. So that's your step today, and tomorrow I'll be back with the next step. So have a great day. I'd love to hear from you as to what your traits or qualities you need to embrace would be, and any comments, let me know. And if you'd like to subscribe to my channel so that you receive these videos in advance, then please do so. Thank you. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success.